Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Slack on your PC or laptop. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my Windows computer here. And you can either open up your browser and type in Slack download. For example, as you can see, it's even showing the result there. And you can go to Windows download, or you can see Mac download based on the search result as you can see. And just simply download the application from here, right? So you can either download it from here. I recommend you download the exe file so you can install it on your PC. Alternatively, you can also go to the App Store, the Microsoft Store, rather, and you can type in Slack as well. Once you type in Slack and hit search, you will find Slack in the result here, and you can click and get there. So you can open up Slack and you can click and get from here, and it will install on your computer. So whichever option you choose, right, you can basically install the application. So I'm going to just choose this option here, for example, to download it from the official website. As I said, you can choose whichever option, and as you can see, it is finished downloaded, and I can just simply go to my downloads folder, double click, and run this installer right here, and you will see that it's going to install on my computer. I'm going to minimize this right here so that you can see that it's going to install, and as you can see, it's showing up on the upper left hand side on my desktop right there. And I just need to sign in. It's going to open up my browser and say to choose a workspace. Because I already have Slack sign in from the website as well, I'm just going to say open right here, and you will see that it's going to quickly redirect. It's going to give me a pop-up right here that says open Slack. I do that, it's going to sign me in directly into the application on my computer, and you will see that I have Slack on my computer. So that's how you can easily download Slack on your PC or laptop. Very easy and very simple.